Hey, fifth grade. You're going to follow the second link in the post and you're going to come to this brain pop video on personal hygiene. Once you have watched this video, what I want you to do is make a Google Slides. Okay, so not Google Docs. You're going to come over and you're going to make a Google Slides. All right. That Google Slides you're going to share with me, but before you do, you need to title it. It can be whatever title you want, but at the end of it you have to say bye and then your name. So I'd say bye Mr. Op, and maybe maybe I'm just going to use the acronyms. I'll do PH, personal hygiene, bye Mr. Op. Okay, and then you'd have to go and share it with me. What that Google Slides is going to look like is it's just going to be a quick little presentation about the things that you learned and why it is important to have good personal hygiene. It's definitely kind of a topic that we are hearing a lot more about these days, with washing our hands, making sure that we're not touching our faces, things like that. If you want to add that stuff in this as well, that's totally fine. But if you just want to stick to what you learned from the video too, that's great. So watch this video and then take a little bit of time to kind of think about everything that you learned from it. Then create a Google Slides and start going on your personal slides presentation. I'm excited to see what all you guys come up with. Bye.